Roll down, lower abdominals. Can you go back up, Jamie? Reach through the arms. Yeah. Good. Back, legs up. Yeah, do that again. Sorry, I'm breaking this down for a second. It's so much for the lower back, and I see a lot of double movement. This does not come up when the legs come up, yeah? So roll back, stay engaged. The legs are starting to come up. Yes! Up and over. Open, close. Your head is starting to come up into a teaser. Don't let the legs separate. Yes, arms come up. Open, circle, connect, bend in and up. Then over. And now you have movement. And do it again.